What is up, YouTube? I'm back. Just got done for some home time and I had a blast. You know, I met the president.
Oh my god.
Went on the, went jet skiing, did a bunch. Actually, I'm lying. Yeah, I didn't do any of that stuff. Actually, really, I just ran a bunch of errands, and one of the things that happened right when I got back was kind of interesting, if you know what I mean. Interesting. So what happened is I go to the shipper and I pull up, I go and check in with the guard, and he tells me where to go. Actually, you know what? Let's back up. So about a week ago, before I went on home time, my dash cam had gone out. It had just, water got on it and it went out, whatever. It stopped working. So while I was there, I bought a new one, brought it back to the truck. It was late. I had just gone grocery shopping, and I put everything away, went to sleep, woke up. Next day, I'm thinking about putting in the dash cam, but I'm like, oh, I'll just do it when I get to the shipper. So I drive to the shipper. I pull up to the guard shack, and I check in. He tells me where to drop my empty, where to pick up my loaded. And I notice there's a cone, and it's like, it's not in the center of the road, but it's like off to the left a little bit, off center, you know, like actually like a third of the way into the, whatever, it's not important. Anyway, there's a cone out there. The guy had told me to go ahead, and I jump back in my truck and I'm waiting because there's another guard, but he's like 5 trucks back. So I look at the ground and I see that there's some dirt and that it's got tire tracks on it. So I'm like, well, maybe they want us to go around the cone. Maybe people have been getting too close to the building or something. I don't know. So I go around and I go and drop off the trailer, go and hook up to my loaded trailer, and a security guard comes up to me and he tells me, hey, were you the guy that ran around the cone? And I'm like, yeah, I went around the cone, thinking that that's what I was supposed to do. And he's like, oh, well, somebody said that you damaged some property. We gotta, you hit a pole or something like that. I didn't hit a pole. So I was like, let's go check it out. So we head over there. He shows me this. Somebody had ran over the water main cover. And I tell him this wasn't me. But the whole time I'm sitting there, I'm thinking like, damn, dude, why was I so lazy
that I didn't put the dash cam in?
And I'm tripping, I'm sweating bullets because, if they try to pursue this, I have no way to, prove my innocence because I didn't put the dash cam up. So I look around, I see that there's some cameras, and I tell the guy, hey, why don't you go check these cameras? And he's like, all right, I'll go do that.
Approximately 10 hours later.
He comes back to me. He apologizes. I got lucky. Whew. I get lucky on it, and he apologizes, shakes my hand, and so I'm on my way. But there's a valuable lesson to be learned here, because had there not been cameras and it was just somebody's word versus mine, I'm sure he would have asked that I give him my info, and yeah, that could have been a preventable on my record. So long story short, bye dash cam. It's gonna save your ass. Of course, it didn't save my ass in this instance, but we can all learn from my mistakes, hopefully. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. That's what my dad always used to tell me, and that's what I'm telling you guys. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, hit that share button, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.